agriculture and livestock, as well as industry and tourism. Distinguished guests, our young and vibrant population, coupled with a growing middle class, presents a very attractive market for investors seeking long-term dividends and long-term engagement with Pakistan. Looking ahead to the future, the government of Pakistan stands committed to extending all possible support to investors to facilitate more FDI. We are constantly working on improving the ease of doing business, eliminating unnecessary bureaucratic hurdles, and ensuring a smooth regulatory environment. While before concluding this statement of mine, I would like to say a few things. You were absolutely right when you were talking about a friendship with a Pakistani. It does last for life. And let me compliment the American people as well. Whenever I've come across America, and particularly American people, probably the most warm and generous people on earth I have found are from the United States of America. Their openness, their liberal values, their sense of inclusiveness, their famous American dream, it all tells about individuals' progress, prosperity on equitable and equal basis. It's a beacon, it's a role model for a thriving economy and a society for the rest of the world. Pakistan has a long-lasting, very deepened relationship with the United States of America. We have been through thick and thin, and the encouraging part is that I see a transformation from the security perspective to economic perspective from the side of the United States of America. Pakistan is not just a geostrategic location which carries importance, it's a geo-economic offer. And that geo-economic offer, as Minister of Energy was explaining, that we are lying here on Titian Belt, which more or less is around 2,800 square kilometers, which is filled with a volcanic eruption of 2 millennia ago, and which contributed towards this verse of Quran, which says that what would emerge from the earth, it has decided probably 2 millennia ago that what would emerge in 2024 or 2080 or 32080, whatever, you know. So Pakistan is rich. It is rich, the right kind of policies, which is that what we have been doing for last so many years, that we have been just exporting our raw material. That has to end. That has to end. The value addition has to come. And until and unless we do not have the value addition, we cannot transform economically like the Chileans have done, the Australians have done, the Canadians have done. This is the path for Pakistan, value addition. And this is the right step demonstrated here in Kevra. I'm pretty much sure that we will be exporting the quality product in the coming days, and Pakistan will get its rightful branding for the product, which is very important. And this would pave the way for further opportunities which lies from rare earth materials to copper and gold, to chromite, to lead and zinc, so on and so forth. Along with that, our human resource probably is more important even than our mineral resource. So our human resource coupled with our natural resource, which is the mineral resource, is one of that, will lead, inshallah, to the prosper Pakistan, to a stable Pakistan, to a rising Pakistan. And Pakistan will, inshallah, have not just its own dreams, but the realization of those dreams. Thank you so much.